gonna show you here. Once you put the base in, okay, you want to make sure, of course, your flange, everything is center. Now you want to take a leveler and make sure it's leveler, okay? You want to make sure it's level, right? So you can see here, your drain is center. It's so-and-so, it's pretty good. Because you don't do this part, it's very important, is once you step in, it's not gonna level, and then you're gonna, you see how it pops back and forth? So you can see up here, I need a shim underneath here. Okay, if I push this down, it's even, but then the back is not even. Yeah. Okay, so we need shim. We need shim. 3 shims, guys. 1, 2, 3. So that's what we need. Lift the base back out and put shim on those 3 areas. So I'm gonna lift this. I'm gonna add shim. You can see right here. I'm gonna add 1, 2, about an 1/8 inch shim. So 1, 2, 3 here to kind of level it out. So how am I gonna do that? You can either use adhesive to glue it on. I got shims here. You can buy these for like $1, $2, okay? At your local hardware store. One more here. All right, we're gonna pre-drill these to nail them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill this. Okay, because if you don't pre-drill and you try to nail it, you might crack it. So that's the whole point of pre-drilling these. So I'm gonna pre-drill this one here, right here. Got shim here, kind of slide it in. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna cut it. And put the shim down here. And then we're gonna go ahead and nail it. First one. You gotta be careful when you do this. You don't wanna hit your shower base because you can crack it or damage it. Take your time. You just put a shim underneath it just in case I do hit it. Okay, we got one. So again, do the same thing. Repeat the process over until you're done. Okay guys, so I got the shower pan installed. And a couple things I want to go over with you guys is you want to make sure before you nail it down, you step on it, it's level, and it doesn't squeak. I had an issue where mine squeaked, so I shimmed it several times. I actually had to take out the nail several times and put shims all over, and it still squeaked. So I actually end up doing this. I put foam down there, as you can see from earlier, or now I can show you a picture of it. I just spray foam on the bottom, and then make sure your shim is still in the right place. And then I just put the shower pan down, and now look at this. You can't even hear anything, guys. I'm stepping on it. You see that? And that's what you want. You want to get my camera here. You want to be able to not squeak, right? And you want to be able to feel where it's firm. So very important, because if you don't do that, and you go sell the house, or you go somebody, or you're doing it for somebody, they're gonna complain because it was pretty loud. So tip, guys, again, make sure you level it with a leveler, and then you want to shim it. Use a leveler, and then you want to shim it, just like here. This is pretty close, and you check, put your level on this side, and see how it's in there, pretty even. And then, oh well, jumping back here, the reason why you want to level is because the water. If you don't level it, then you might have actually puddles building up in certain corners or wherever. You don't want that because that can lead to mold. Once you do that, you put your shims, and I just apply adhesive on the back of the shim where stick to it, and you spray some foam, and just put your pen out, and it doesn't squeak anymore. So very nice. I just want to share with you because it's a little tip. Took me a while, but I figured I'd share with you how to install a pan. But the key is putting foam down or mortar. In this case, I already have a slab down there, so I didn't do it that way. But okay, see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.